What's up everybody, this is Danny from My Flying Eyes. Today we're getting into totally unknown territory. We're going to our first night photography session. So turn off your sound, get your camera and come with me. Okay, here's my setup for the night photography. The camera is a Panasonic GH5 and the lens is a Lumix 12-35 millimeters, as you can see, and I have the tripod with the legs wide open to make it more stable. This is not the ideal, probably later on I will get a wide angle lens, but this is what I have and I'm pretty happy with it. So let's see how it goes. Okay, we're gonna get the drone. Controller, Mavic to zoom. This is very important, is headlight for night photography. We're going to possibly fly the drone, so let's get the iPad. So tripod 2 just in case. So that's it. This is all the gear I'm going to take with me. We're going to also carry our gimbal. Very important for night photography, the light. Okay, now we're ready to go. We have everything inside the car and we're going to get to a gas station somewhere in Palmdale. We're going to meet with our friend and then we're going to go to this secret spot that who knows where it is. So come with me. Flat tire. So apparently you have to pay $1.75 for air. This is pretty ridiculous to me, but the guy, he was so nice that he didn't charge me at all. He just activated without me paying. So thank you so much. We are in our lucky day. Okay, we arrived here at Palmdale and we're gonna meet our instructor. Hey!
Hey Danny!
This is Jack.
How are you?
So here's our instructor in night photography. He's an amazing drone pilot, filmmaker, night photographer, and he knows every secret about it.
Well, everything he said, he was said about himself.
No such a thing. So his channel is NatureLove. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to his channel. Check out his videos, they're amazing. If you want to see nature, he's the guy.
Happy to have you and hopefully we'll have a great trip.
Okay guys, I don't know if you can see it, but it's 110 degrees. We're here at Baker, halfway, I guess. And this is insanely hot. I don't know where he's taking me because it's supposed to be a secret spot. I don't supposed to know and no one's supposed to know, but here we are, halfway. Okay guys, we just arrived. Temperature is pretty hot, but we are here. This place is amazing. How are you feeling?
Excellent.
What's this place called?
The secret place.
The secret place. He's not gonna reveal this place, okay? So don't ask them.
Whoever told us the place, only for one condition, that we are not going to reveal it. Although I think a lot of people know about this place, but it's good to keep the word anyway, as we promised. So yeah, we like to keep the promise. It's not about anything else. Otherwise, this is an amazing place. We're going to explore inside.
Ping pong balls all over the place. There is Jack, and there is the bees. There is Jack, and there is the bees. Okay, I don't want to upset the bees. Okay, I'm back inside the building. Apparently, I got too close to the bees, and one of them attacked me. So I have to leave the building. So Jack, be careful with the bees. Okay, we have to abort the mission partially, because we were having so much fun exploring this place, and then what can happen? The government, of course. Thank you. Well, the park rangers came and they say that it's dangerous because some chemicals. I'm not saying they're wrong, they're probably all right, and they have to take care of us because we're little kids that we don't know anything, we don't know better, so we have to leave. So even though we told them that the main reason we came here was to do some night photography and that should be done from outside, they say no, this you can stay here. All I know is you can't stay here, that's it. So we asked them, and they can kindly recommend us to try some dirt road, and apparently there are some other abandoned buildings that they should be fine, about 4 miles from here, so we're gonna try that. Meanwhile, I just discovered that they been playing golf around here. I'm gonna take this as a war trophy, okay? Follow us. He's trespassing, not me. Okay, so we follow the park ranger's directions and we find this place, which is an abandoned place also, and it's pretty interesting. So we figure we'll do the night photography here. So come with us and we're going to explore it. Imagine how many dead bodies would be there. It's time for a beer. This abandoned car would be a good spot for night photography.
It is a good spot, but we are not lucky with it because we need to go lower on the tripod. We have to try. But you see this kind of little watch or whatever it's called.
But shouldn't it be like from this direction?
No, we're just checking right now. Going to be
from there. But if it's from there, we have the
from here.
We have also the tree. Wouldn't that be good? Like from here?
Yeah, we have to go as low as possible to get the shot. This will be around 9 o'clock.
Wait a minute. What are these gunshots?
Yeah.
Wow. So apparently it's a target practice also. Like a gangster, like this belongs to a gangster. Are you telling me that it was like some good fellas guy got killed here? Yeah, pop, 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 pop. That's it. Also should look, yeah, but this one looks more like Al Capone era, not Goodfellas. So explain, what are you doing with that phone?
So we're checking to see if, what time and what direction the Milky Way is going to raise up.
So you're checking out through an application?
Yeah, it's called Stellarium. It's a free app and it's amazing.
What does it tell us?
It shows you the direction of each constellation, and then shows you the Milky Way. And also it has GPS. You don't need to be online or anything. You just point your phone to the direction and just slide it. It slides the time, and the Milky Way comes up, and then you see where your which direction your shots are going to be aligning with the Milky Way. So without
That sounds pretty impressive.
so without it, it's pretty a lot of guesswork. You can shoot from this side, all these buildings and the tree. The tree is amazing. I love the tree.
Yeah, it looks creepy. I'm sure it's gonna look very creepy at night.
Yeah, with the light painting.
And you love creepy. I love creepy too. What about that water tank? Would that look cool also?
It will look cool, but we have to go from the other
From there, right?
things. But for sure we can use this building, which I love. Pretty awesome building.
So I was talking about this water tank. That might be a good night photography.
This will be good too, but we have to probably go to the other side.
Probably wrestle with the mountain lions and the coyotes.
We also need to check that abandoned vehicles.
Do you recognize this place? Do you recognize that car? Can you recognize it? I told you I'll be back. Pray for me that I can get out of here alive.